big old piece of cookie.
Yeah. You want to come on my YouTube with me?
Who, me?
Yeah.
When?
Can I show your face now? I'm live.
Sure. Oh, God. No filter.
No filter.
Wicked.
So that's my sister
Oh, don't do it to
Licia.
me.
That's my sister Jenny.
Let me see. I have to see it.
We're having cake for dad. And that's my niece.
She's so wicked.
And that's my brother.
No, you can't put my phone.
Yes.
Please, no, I don't want.
Look at mom running. Can I show the food? So we're having some cake and mom made some salad. What's in the salad, mom? So lots of greens, she says. And these are fresh what? Cilantro? So these are fresh cilantro from mom's backyard, from the garden. And we have some pasta. Mom pastas are always the best. Well, I like her salad bowls better. And then over here we have some steamed veg, mashed potato, and we have some steak. Lycian, move your big hand. And what is this, Lycian? Soup? I think that's soup. And this is salmon, some chicken wings, some lobster. Well, over here, so corn and corn.
Should be come here.
Move. Move. So I'm just at my dad's and we're having some cake.
Where are your shorts from?
My shorts? Forever 21.
What happened to my cake? No.
Who do we have in the building?
What? It melted out?
The royal. You eat off your cake, girl.
I had one spoon. See?
It melted. Get somewhere.
Somebody stole it. Stop.
Is this what? What flavor? You go over there to go look for your cake? What flavor is this?
Vanilla chocolate.
What's Mara? Why is mom running though? It's already live. It's posting. All if they're commenting, I can see. But I know I have 5 people.
No, nobody go post my pan pink wall.
6 people now. Wait, girl.
Finally get me in there.
Cause you walk past. And that's mom.
Just crop me out, okay?
But mom no more crap on.
You're a pink wall with pink wall. Oink, oink. Live. There's no crop.
There's no cropping all of alive. What's live?
Let me see alive, like eating and all.
This cake is good though.
Yeah.
What is it? What flavor is it?
Chin just did like 101 times.
No, I didn't hear.
Dairy Queen, bro.
Vanilla and chocolate?
Dairy Queen.
It's Dairy Queen. It's very good. So who do we have?
Baskin Robbins.
Comment section to you guys.
But Dairy Queen has like the cookie, I think.
I like the thingy inside. It's crunchy. It's a cookie.
They should put like 2 layers.
Because she has tried to eat nice. She should have found the live.
No, I always eat nice. Don't do it.
Mm-hmm.
I always eat nice. Don't do it.
Mm-hmm. Thank you, guys.
I'm gonna always eat nice. So happy Father's Day to all the fathers.
That's one too.
But no, I'm talk part enough time. Because I'm talking part one now. Well, I have a lot of American viewers though.
I'm just bugging you.
Because when I check my analysis, it's my analysis or my analytics.
Analytics.
My
yeah.
analytics. Oh God, the ice cream gone to my head.
The ice cream or the alcohol from yesterday?
I didn't drink anything. I'm not drinking any alcohol. Ice cream is yummy.
Oh,
You hear, Mom?
yeah.
What you want, Bailey's on top?
Shut up.
Or probably white rum. PG-13, Mom. See, you make me a spill ice cream. Mm-hmm. Me a human being.
She ain't a human being.
Alien.
Hey, Talman TV.
More wine,
Hi,
guys.
Tallman TV.
I'm getting kissy face. That's Dad.
Oh, Lord.
Look at that. Tuck in your belly, Dad. Oh my God. Dad, me have to go make some of my slim tea feel. Dad, me have to go make some of my slim tea for you.
Slim tea.
He's
Yeah.
not much for me.
For that belly.
It's mine.
Dad, can you mess up,
Too much,
please?
too much, too much.
We can't cut it in happy, so I have to go get down and try it.
Hey, Dad. We actually eat already. So we have ice cream. Oh, this is really good.
Upstairs.
Give me some more, sis.
See? Yeah, oh, you said
Mm-hmm. What's that?
I'm going to get some slim tea.
Some my slim tea?
Cream slim tea.
No, I'll drink slim tea tomorrow. Hey, Chef Andre. It's not gonna melt? For at least you give me another mega pot. That's where the nice crunchy stuff are.
I gave it to you. Oh, if you take out your lime miggle, then what left? You need more cake. I can cut you more cake with the miggle in it.
No, I'm gonna be fat.
I know, I like the vanilla.
Yeah. How come you cut off the vanilla left over like cake? How about that?
No, it was your piece of vanilla. There.
Well, put it over here. Since it's my piece.
There.
Hey, Chef Ricardo. Happy Father's
Wait,
Day.
is this the Chef Ricardo that does videos on YouTube?
Yeah, I'm a friend.
Oh, I'm a fan.
Yeah, now you want to be on my YouTube. He's actually my friend. That's my sister, Chef Ricardo. She said, "Oh, is that the Chef Ricardo that does YouTube?" I'm a fan. So
I watch your Jamaican cake baking. You baked a cake. I think you did fried dumplings.
and do everything.
Wait, maybe I see.
If you don't watch this video lately because I'm always a big me up in that video. Jamaica recipe queen.
Okay.
In my,
Oh, he doesn't show me.
I'm just having some ice cream.
Oh, this is him.
Yeah. See, ice cream, ice cream. A diamond trophy. So I'm just having some ice cream with the old man, but the old man gone outside. That's my pretty sister.
I'm coming to be nosy.
Chef Andre. Okay.
Who's prettier?
Who's
Hold on.
drinking
Hold on,
tonight?
let me let it out. What?
Nobody's saying anything.
Happy Father's Day to all the dads. Hey, Sheppy.
I took your seat here. Sorry.
So Chef Ricardo here now. His Food News TV too is on his other channel. The Food News is Chef Ricardo and what's the other one? Yeah, Healthy Side. Red at the eye, Sheppy.
Man, I'm tired.
None of us not even look alike.
I
We
know.
we don't even look like siblings.
Lord.
Everybody look different. Maybe all the nose we are Alicia. Maybe all of the nose we have. They are eat too much.
Oh,
Mr.
happy Father's Day,
Pusey.
Mr. Smith.
I was like, oh, what I need.
What did you
Mr. Pussy. Why about you two ban me? Queen is your twin. Which one? She or she?
Oh, probably her.
Which one am I twin? Which one of us look alike?
Oh, Lord. And Janine, right?
Me and Janine look alike?
Odd one out, as usual.
Not the nose though, not the oink nose.
That's the inside joke.
Yeah, the brown
Like,
one.
what?
The brown one.
That's me. We're
Yeah.
all brown.
Is there something
Are
you
you
think
that
is
shades of
about?
brown? Well, obviously it's you.
It's alright. Maybe be the black one.
Black is beautiful.
The black sheep. What is it? I am dog.
It's probably a troll. I get them all the time.
If you're a troll, please exit.
I am dog. Oh, thank you, Chef Ricardo gave me $10. £10. Thank you.
Oh, we're gonna split that now.
Save some cake for me, please.
Okay, I will.
$3
Unruly
33
J.
cents each.
Unruly J.
Oh my God! I got $13.82. Thank you.
Bullet. Interesting.
Yeah.
Oh, we should probably put this in the freezer.
Yeah.
Look at it.
It's melting. This cake is so good. That's funny.
Want to lick that for some extra money?
Oh, Jaim. Hey, Jaim. This girl. What the hell?
For some extra money? Anybody get her $20? She go and lick it, okay? $20. $20 going once. Going twice.
I'm not licking that for nothing.
Going.
Food News said good job.
Damn.
Chef Ricardo, she said, oh, I'm a fan.
I'm a fan. I tried.
Thank you, Red at Queen It's Me Diamond. Okay, Diamond.
Did you like it? It's too dry, right?
Where you said this was from Dairy Queen?
Yes. You're not always in the fridge when I go there.
Mm-hmm. But it's not Dairy Queen alone sells it.
But Baskin Robbins. But I think Dairy Queen's the only one with the cookies.
You know what I want, guys? Krispy Kreme donuts.
This is good. This will make you fat though. Lie. Flat tummy tea from off a Chef Ricardo channel tomorrow, guys. Bedtime tea. Forget out all of these ice cream. Is that ice cream cake? Yes. It's what's the flavor again?
Vanilla and chocolate with cookie in the middle.
Yeah.
Vanilla and chocolate with cookie in the middle.
I think that's Dairy Queen's like signature flavor. I don't think they have other flavors.
Okay.
I can't eat my steak now and just call it a night.
Itis.
Uh-huh.
Itis bedtime. Good
I'll
night.
bring it home. Bring it for lunch tomorrow.
Oh, that'd be good
From what?
for her lunch.
Bring it for lunch. With some of mom's salad.
gonna get fat working from home.
Good luck.
With all this food. Every time I get a break.
This
Yum,
is so
yum,
good.
yum. Rub-a-dub-dub.
Where do you do work? Up here or downstairs?
Upstairs.
Upstairs?
Yeah.
Worst thing. Find a spot. You do it in the bedroom?
Yeah.
And then the spare
It has
room.
to be in private.
In your old room.
Yeah. I have to be away.
Get out of my room, girl.
Excuse you.
I'm coming to take it back.
Excuse you. Yep.
Yes, you look through the window, look if Janina come.
Huh?
Let me look downstairs, she's downstairs. In the car.
Rosemary.
Like nighttime when me I look when she gone out, so nighttime I look through the window, see if she come. She comes, she sit down in the car for like a few minutes. Yeah, yes, this girl in the car doing something. When she come up, she's like, "Can you smell me?" Yep.
I cut back a lot. I don't smoke as much as I used to. That was stressful time.
A yellow no smoke. No, I never have.
Excuse me.
Okay, sorry.
I've done it once.
No, but I'm not left
You
in the plate. Just
have
clean it out.
Once.
I actually did.
And the whole time I laughed.
That's good.
What did you
They're
have?
like,
Weed?
oh, Alicia is the coolest person to smoke
You
with
smoked
because
weed?
she just vibe and laugh
That's
the
good.
whole time.
When you went to Jamaica?
No hair. Lucky I never had an asthma attack.
You're fine. Enough people
Girl, weed not doing nothing.
Yeah.
Only if you have like a whole spliff by yourself for the first
It's a
time.
herb.
Yeah, this is how we did over yourself. It's a herb. Yeah, girl, Lala, how are you? $13 more would have done me good enough, guys. I'm showing
Really?
them I'm giving my next
I told you
$13.
to lick the thing.
I'm not licking that for
Okay,
nothing.
drain the bottle for $20.
I'm not draining this either.
Oh,
There's literally nothing in there.
Okay, finish this bottle for $20.
you could have faked that one.
Janine.
Not bitter?
That's some.
This?
Yeah, to drink it for $20.
It's bitter?
Taste her, let her little drop.
It's bitter? What is
It's
it?
not sweet like Moscato.
It smells bad.
So just taste it.
And it smells like it's dry.
Wait, you just smell?
It's-
Oink, oink.
You know, stop with something. Is it dry?
Just taste it.
I don't like dry wine. It's gonna make me start coughing, and I don't want no alcohol either.
Bro, this is just.
I'm tasty.
Oh, there's a tiny bit there.
Mm. Hot
Yeah.
lady in the black. Thank you, darling. Thank you.
Well, I'm the lady in the black. That one they missed me. What happened to the lady in the black?
I won't.
Let me see.
Say
See?
The lady in the black looks like her, so maybe sisters. We are all sisters. Come back, Janine.
Yeah.
We are all sisters. That's my sister, and
I
that's
think
my
Janine
sister.
looks more like your sister.
But I'm the eldest.
I'm the youngest.
She's the youngest.
Oh,
Sheffy said, "Oh, okay."
You change your mind.
Oh, she's in Saskatchewan, you know.
Oh, is she?
Sheppy?
Yeah.
We're in Saskatchewan. I live in Saskatoon. We're in Saskatchewan. You know, Regina, Saskatoon.
Where in Saskatchewan are you, Sheffy? Because my sister used to live in Saskatoon.
Okay.
Regina.
Oh, okay. Cool.
So Sheffy called her. I said, okay.
Okay to what?
What's
What's
okay, that we're all sisters, I guess.
Oh. Too bad you can't see them back.
Only if I do like a stream, like a yard, what do they call the thing again? What's the thing that we used to use before we had YouTube Live when we want to go live and something under the yard, and you can have people come on
Oh,
if
that
you drop
sounds
the link.
familiar.
If you drop the link, what's the name of it again, guys? Like if you drop the link, people can click on the link and come on the screen. What's it called? I know it's something another yard. All three has gathered to face the lens I see. Jamaican recipe queen. One have my complexion and I have my nose.
That's about right.
Oink, oink.
I have the pink nose. Yes, we inherit that from our dad.
Oink,
We can't miss that one. Oh yes, StreamYard.
Oh, I
So
never
if I
heard of
yeah,
that.
so if I was using StreamYard, thank you, your girl Lala and the Royal General. So if I was using StreamYard, I could have dropped the link. Yeah, so Chef Ricardo says StreamYard. If I was using that, then I could drop the link and then they could come on.
Oh, and you see their face.
Yeah, but it's an app that I will have to download on my
Too much
phone.
work.
Another time when I
We'll
come
see
back,
'em, you
when I
guys.
come back to these guys, because I don't live with them, so
She lives so far.
I'm not far.
It's not that far.
I'm like 30 minutes away.
This one used to live far.
This one used to live
18
far.
hours.
This
We
one used to live
drove
far.
18 hours.
Last week we were driving for 18 hours. That was something else. But it was
Listen,
fun.
they told us we were gonna hit deer, moose, or
And beer.
bears.
But we didn't see one.
Listen, Janine, like, Jesus. Janine, slow down, cause if you hit the beer.
You know what I remembered? You know what I remembered? When I was going, I think it's this. I think I was going Vegas. No, I think it was going Oklahoma. You remember when they took me to the airport,
Oh, we
Kitchener
were going to
Airport?
Kitchener. It was
And
dark.
this girl
Oh, the
saw a freaking spider. Jenny, jump out of the freaking car, leave me, and now she a drive. There's a spider.
That happened to me again last
She
year.
came out, she jumped out of the car and she a drive, driving me to the airport.
Even yesterday, I got in the car. What was I doing?
I'm like,
spiders.
I'm like, Janine, this spider ain't going to do you nothing. She's like, yes, they can eat you. Where
Who's Toya?
small spider's gonna eat you?
Hi, Toya.
Hi, Toya's kitchen.
Oh, I missed that. Hi, Toya.
I think you
Like,
can.
ain't nobody Toya here.
It's a yeah. She's Toya's kitchen.
Okay.
How is everyone evening going?
It's great. We have wine. We just ate ice cream, cake,
Lobster.
steak,
Roti.
salmon,
Pasta,
Pasta.
potatoes,
veggies.
veggies,
Forgot the macaroni.
belly long. Oh, I
It's
knew
right
there
there.
was macaroni.
It's right there.
I'll eat it later. Or tomorrow.
Toya's
Oh,
kitchen just
chicken
sounds good.
wings.
And
Chicken
wings.
wings.
Did we say the ice cream first?
Yes.
Yep. And of course, the black cake that I made the other day on live, I brought some for Dad.
That's funny.
Mhm.
So what happened? Come say hi to the fans.
She probably sees them all the time.
She tired of me and them. Sometimes she just come like, "Hi guys."
So who's on there? All your
Followers, right?
no, what people? It seems like a lot of chefs or cooks or
No, it's gone down to 4. People don't like us anymore.
People have a life.
Come back, Jack.
Jack! Jack! But Jack wasn't going anywhere. See, one person heard you. One person came back. So I'm going for 30 minutes. So I have what? Six more minutes. 6 more minutes. See if I can see if we can also another $13.
So the $13 comes from YouTube or the people?
No, from the people.
could be.
The way the money comes from YouTube is maybe they are celebrating with their dad too. Yeah.
What flavor ice cream did you have, Toya?
Just had some ice cream myself.
Let me guess, grape nut.
Romarius. I was driving my niece and a spider was in. Let me see. Let me read this one because this is definitely her. I was driving my niece and a spider was in the car, and thank God the door were locked. Otherwise, she would have just jumped out of moving vehicle. Well, she was
I
driving. She
on the
was
highway.
driving on the highway, and she freaking jumped out of the car, leave me inside the car. And there was a little tiny bug in your room one time. You remember that video? You? She's like, it's gonna eat me. It's gonna go in your nose or your ears.
It's like those little like tiny
Centipedes.
centipedes.
It was a centipede.
She passed it down on me.
Poor thing, probably scared of you. Yes.
Oh my.
She get out of the car, leave me in there.
But after she killed the bug, I came back.
Luckily, the police them never stop we. She jumped out of the car, leave me
This
alone.
happened again with Renee last year. Horrible. Anyways.
Janine, you know the little bug I run from you?
In that she drive automatic.
Exactly. Exactly.
It's too much. I don't like bugs.
When I hear people say your life flash in front of your eyes, that was the moment. The bug was not even inside. Was the bug inside? It was inside?
At first, I was like, okay, it's outside. So I was trying to keep my cool.
Oh, yes,
and then
that was
came
it.
towards me, and that's when I flipped.
Because I thought it was on the windscreen. Oh, yes, I remember now. You start trying to wipe the freaking bug off, and then you realize, oh, no, it's inside. I'm getting out. Yeah.
Ask her what happened when we got to. Wait.
I think that video is still on YouTube, Facebook, because I had posted it on Facebook.
And I think you shared it the
And
next
I shared it the next year. So if the memory comes again, I'm going to share it.
We went from Thunder Bay to
Sault Ste. Marie.
Sault Ste. Marie. Miss said, when we were reaching at the hotel room, me kind of sweat, drip, drip, drip. Anxiety take me.
From the bug?
Girl.
You know why? Because I was tired.
You're mad now?
She gave me 8 hours.
I had to keep in line with the trucks because if the dare's gonna hit something, it's gonna
But Janine foot definitely heavy. Janine,
she's like,
Janine come like Kimmy. I see him so Kimmy drive mad too.
Then they're doing construction. All I feel is blah, 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 blah.
See, me not even love drive on the highway. I drove on the highway coming and I was like,
it's better on the back roads.
yeah.
What to do?
I probably just take the back road and I'm going home.
Yeah. Don't do that. No.
It's 40 minutes on the back road.
So when we get to
Like
how long on the highway?
Like 27 minutes.
Oh, that's a big jump.
Yes.
Just take the highway. I thought it was like
That's why I took the highway when I was coming.
now it's gonna be less cars, so it'll be okay.
2 more minutes. Oh, I have 6 lovely people.
It was up to 9. Wait, did we miss what people are saying?
Maybe because we're chatting. Oh, that's the last one. You panicked and could have caused unnecessary injuries pertaining to that bug. Yes, we could have did. Not unnecessary injuries. We
Listen,
could have did.
I'm afraid of bugs. If you want to do some hypnosis on me so that I'm not afraid, feel free to do it on me.
They grew. Exactly. The poor bug of them just a run from Janine. Janine scared the bug them more than anything else.
It's a phobia. It's arachnophobia.
Arachnophobia, no?
I remember this ring. I love it. Anyway,
Remember you're gonna do my eyebrows?
Oh, the
wax is probably too hot now.
It's okay. I'll cool it down right now.
If Shuggy
You wanna do it here?
If Shuggy comes back.
Or you want me to come upstairs? Exactly. She's gonna wax my eyebrows. What you do at work? Like masseuse?
No. Now I'm at the laser clinic, so I'm just doing the front desk.
So what them do the laser? Then can I take out this? I have a noodle.
A noodle?
Yeah. It looks like a noodle, right?
Is it pimple?
It's been there for 2 months.
Oh, it's gonna go away. Just wait. Our
2
skin takes like 6 months for scars to go away. The beautiful
Feel it.
skin.
all these
Is it from a pimple?
in Jamaica, but
It's I don't know. I don't know if it was a
Or you hit
pimple.
something?
I don't know what it was. It just came up there. I didn't hit anything.
Oh.
It came up like a underground.
doesn't-
It came up like an underskin pimple.
you're not supposed to scratch
It
it.
And
feels
I
like there's still some. Did you pop it?
no, don't pop it. I
No,
pop.
no, no.
I,
Oh, this is one of those videos, guys, where you see what's coming out.
Maybe there's something in there. Just leave it.
and I popped. No, I tried to pop it, but it wasn't popped.
Yeah.
So take the skin off. So that's what happened right here.
Just leave it. Sometimes the skin can just heal by itself, but we pick it and then it takes double the
It's
time.
there. Look, it's been there since for like 2 months right here.
Leave it alone. Give it 2 more months and it's gonna fade. Just exfoliate it 2 times a week. That's
Heal.
it.
I'm not talking about the fade. I'm not talking about the color though. I'm talking about the lump inside, like a bump.
I think there's still like pimple inside. It will
That's
dry
why
out.
this one was
You sure?
big and like something big inside.
Well, if 2 months,
Sleep
if 2
and
months
then
and it's not gone, do you guys laser it?
I wouldn't for something so small. We do, but like.
But
you're
it's
gonna
there and
pay-
it's bothering me.
Just allow it. It's only 2 months.
I'm wondering if it's age spot. Does it look
No.
like an age spot?
No, no, no.
What
Like
does age
these
spot
skin
look
tags,
like?
You
No.
don't get skin tags. Like
Yes, I
these-
do. I have small ones on my neck.
Yeah, that's what we get. We don't get.
And
freckles.
there's a little tiny one right here that has been there since forever too. That doesn't go away.
Leave that one. It's nice. I like it.
This one?
Yeah.
No way.
Yeah, leave it. It's
It
nice.
looks like you put a fake nose.
I have a faded one like here and here, and I
This
touch it up
one?
all the time. Yeah, leave it.
No. Oh, 31 minutes. Okay, bye. I'm gonna get my eyebrows waxed. Love you guys. Happy Father's Day again. Thank you
See
for
you
staying
later.
with us. Popo, big up, big
Bye,
up, big
Pao
up.
Pao.